You started therapy because you wanted to feel better, less anxious, less stuck, less like you're screaming inside while smiling on the outside. But now, weeks, maybe months have gone by, and you're still sitting there thinking, why does it feel like nothing's changing? Is it me? Is it them? Is therapy even working? Here's the truth. Therapy isn't broken, but something in the process might be. And the good news, you can fix it. First, therapy isn't a magic eraser. It's not supposed to make you feel better It's not supposed to make your pain disappear overnight. If you're expecting to walk out of session 3 feeling fixed, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. Real healing, it's messy, it's slow, it's 2 steps forward, 1 step back, and sometimes it feels worse before it gets better, because you're finally touching the stuff you've spent years avoiding. But if you've been there for a while and you still feel completely stuck, let's talk about the 4 reasons why therapy might feel like it's not working and how to fix each one. Reason number 1. You're not being honest. Not with your therapist and not with yourself. You're summarizing instead of feeling. You're saying I'm fine when your chest is tight and your throat is closing. Therapy can't work if you're editing your truth to make it more flavorful. Say the ugly thing, the shameful thing, the thing you think they'll judge you for. That's where the healing lives. Reason number 2. You're seeing the wrong therapist. Not every therapist is the right fit, and that's okay. If you have sessions feeling unheard, confused, or like you're performing for them, that's not your fault, it's a mismatch. Ask yourself, do I feel safe here? Do I feel seen? If not, it's okay to switch. This isn't quitting, it's advocating for your health. Third reason. You're treating therapy like a lecture, not a collaboration. You show up, you talk, you leave, and that's it. But therapy isn't a weekly download. It's a practice. What you do between sessions matters just as much. Ask your therapist, what should I be working on this week? Journal, try the coping skills, sit with the uncomfortable feelings. Therapy works when you take it home with you. And the reason number 4, you're measuring progress by wrong metrics. You're waiting for the big breakthrough, the moment you're cured. But healing doesn't always roar. Sometimes it just whispers. You paused before yelling? That's a win. You noticed your anxiety instead of ignoring it? That's a win. You said no without apologizing? That's a win. You cried and didn't punish yourself? Track the tiny wins. Write them down. Healing is happening even when it's quiet. And one more thing. If you've been doing all this and still nothing's shifting, it might be time to explore modalities. Not every issue responds to talk therapy alone. Therapy isn't one size fits all. Your brain isn't broken, you just haven't found the right key yet, the right doctor, the right therapist, the right medicine, the right time, and so on. Therapy isn't failing you. You're just in the messy middle, and that's where most of the real work happens. Don't give up. Tweak it. Speak up. Try something new. You didn't come this far just to come this far. The fact that you're still showing up, that's not failure, that's courage. And healing, it's already on its way, even when you can't feel it yet. So keep going. maybe you're closer than you think.